Some cars seem like a great idea, right up until the dashboard lights up like a Christmas tree and your bank account starts begging for mercy. Today, we're talking about the cars people thought they wanted. The ones that looked cool, sounded fast, or felt like a deal. Until reality kicked in with a blown transmission and a 4-figure repair bill. These are 5 cars that everyone regrets buying. And if you're thinking about picking one up, you might want to watch this first. Number 1, 2004 to 2012 Mazda RX-8. It's a rotary-powered sports car. What could go wrong? Spoiler, everything. The RX-8 is lightweight, fun to drive, and revs to 9,000 RPM. Sounds amazing until you realize it also burns oil like a 2-stroke and floods if you dare shut it off cold. The rotary engine is fragile, underpowered for its fuel economy, and rebuilding one costs as much as just buying a different car entirely. You'll find these for $3,000 on Craigslist with the caption, "Just needs apex seals," which is rotary speak for runaway. Looks cool, drives great, total headache. You've been warned. Number 2, 2002 to 2006 Mini Cooper S R53 British engineering. German ownership. What could go wrong? Answer, also everything. The supercharged Mini Cooper S was supposed to be a stylish go-kart-like hot hatch, and it is. Until the power steering pump dies, the clutch goes out, or the timing chain starts rattling like it's trying to escape the engine block. These cars were quirky fun when new, but as they age, they become quirky money pits. Expect check engine lights, electrical gremlins, and the joy of removing the entire front of the car just to change a thermostat. You'll regret it around the 3rd time you say, "Well, I found the part on eBay, but now I need a priest." Number 3, 2012 to 2014. Ford Focus DCT models. This one deserves a trophy for being the most returned car of the decade. The 2012 to 2014 Ford Focus with the PowerShift dual-clutch transmission was supposed to bring German-style shifting to a budget compact. Instead, it brought shuddering, slipping, and lawsuits. The transmission is infamous for failure, jerky starts, and leaving owners stranded on the side of the road while the dealership says, "We're still waiting on parts." Ford even extended the warranty multiple times, which is a polite way of saying, "Yeah, we messed up." You can buy one for cheap, but you'll pay for it in therapy. Number 4, 2007 to 2010. BMW 335 IE90 Fast. Luxurious, beautifully balanced, and absolutely cursed. The twin-turbo N54 engine in the BMW 335i is known for serious tuning potential and for detonating your wallet. High-pressure fuel pumps, fail, turbo wastegates, rattle, valve cover gaskets, leak, and don't even get us started on carbon buildup. Yes, it's fast. Yes, it handles great. But unless you've got a lift and a second car, it's going to spend more time parked than a broken Tesla in the winter. It's a 400 horsepower dream that becomes a recurring nightmare. BMW brings Mechanic Weekly. Number 5, 2008 to 2012 Dodge Caliber SRT-4. Remember when Dodge tried to make a hot hatch? Yeah, we'd all like to forget too. The Caliber SRT-4 had potential, 285 horsepower, a turbocharged 2.4-liter, and a 6-speed manual. But it also had all the charm of a rental car with anger issues. The interior looks like it was designed by a group of interns using leftover plastic from fast food toys. It torque steers like a shopping cart with one locked wheel. And resale value? You could probably trade it for a mountain bike and a Monster Energy hat. People bought it thinking it was the next neon SRT-4. It wasn't. It was just sad. So there you go. 5 cars that seemed like a great idea, until the engine blew, the transmission slipped, or the interior started falling apart like a dollar store action figure. Have you owned one of these? Regretted one? Still driving it while questioning your life choices? Let us know in the comments. We're here for the pain. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more bad decisions on 4 wheels. This is Petrol Magazine, where we love cars, even the terrible ones. Especially the terrible ones.